put a place.
I can't wait for the whole thing to open up.
Wouldn't it be neat downtown?
A couple of years, yeah.
I love going. It used to be the Crossroads and ZCMI Mall, and I used to love to go over there and shop and look and window shop. This is going to be fun. And maybe tomorrow would be a good day to window shop.
To do that.
We have a storm coming in. Chopper 5 was up earlier, and this is before the winds were blowing and bringing out that dust from the west desert. The strength of the storm really is evident as you look out to the west with all of that dust. There's, of course, right up there across north of the Capitol building, Ensign Peak. Now, temperatures are very cold near the Canadian border. Only 30 in Bismarck today, 36 in Chicago, 78 in Miami, and Washington, D.C. was a toasty 74. I suspect there's a lot of flooding going on back east because of all that snow on the ground. And they are getting some rain, some locally heavy rain with a little snow mixed in. 53 in Kansas, much warmer in Salt Lake City than Denver, and lots of clouds. This is a canopy of clouds. It is covering the entire state. Hard to see any sunshine. A few very light showers across central Utah, heavier showers to the north, and there is a cold front that's kind of settling into central Utah, and as it settles into central Utah, there are some strong jet stream winds coming in from the Pacific Northwest, from Oregon and Northern California. When that happens, the air churns, it turns over, and that causes lift. And then, of course, you add the orographics, the mountain valley effects, and it looks like this storm system is going to line up across central Utah with some vigor. Here's the disturbance, here's the jet stream as it moves along. Very heavy snow from the Abajo, LaSalle Mountains, north of the Henrys, over towards the Wasatch Plateau, the Tavaputs, and the, looks like even the Pavant and Tusher Mountains. But by Saturday, the storm moves away, high pressure comes in, and it is going to be a nice weekend. But I have to warn you, I-70, Salina Canyon, the San Rafael Swell going down the I-15 corridor, we're going to see several inches of snow and slush. So I want you to be aware that tomorrow is not a very good day to travel. If you can delay until Saturday, that would be my suggestion. 42 in Manti with some snow in the San Pete Sevier Valleys. Gusty shifting winds, St. George, a 30% chance for showers. Most of the precipitation in the Pine Valley and Southwest Mountains. But by Monday and Tuesday, warmest days of the year. Now, this storm has enough cold air tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. I'm going to say this, could be some lake effect southeast of the lake. That could be easily that could surprise us late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. So be aware of it. That would be into the Salt Lake Valley. Now, notice the temperatures are warming up by the middle of the week, but here's the problem. I-80 south, the Wasatch Mountains, half a foot to a foot. The Uinta Mountains, 5 to 10 inches. The Central Mountains, the Wasatch Plateau, the Pavant, Tusher Mountains, 10 to 20 inches. The Book Cliffs, 8 to 16. The Tavaputs, 5 to 10. And the I-15 corridor, that includes Cedar City, Beaver, Scipio Summit, 3 to 6.
Pretty good storm.
Yeah, back to winter for a while.
It's that darn split jet stream. We get nothing and they get it all.
Well, it's good all the same. Thanks.
Not really soccer season. Weather.
Right. Rails on the road this weekend. Good time to